What does he mean? I'm the chicken. What do you mean if I pass this trial? The chicken just casually eats a potato.
This is some fat fucking chicken. Why are we doing it on the fucking roof?
Why are y'all trying to catch me? Also, I'm trusting the town. I can just close the door.
Sky, no!
Hold on.
The fuck? This sounds. Is that the sound the chicken makes? Oh, I just watched someone kill.
Who's your friendly?
Daryl, come to me or I will break a window.
Our seeds.
Guys, did you really lose me that quickly?
FedEx95 said, IRO trying not to make sus sounds challenge impossible.
Where's... I don't know where to... Oh, you stupid bitch! You stupid bitch!
Oh no, you gotta trap me though, you gotta trap me!
I don't gotta do shit, I don't gotta do shit!
Just kill him. Oh, I see.
Wait, what?
He got
no, I'm stuck in I have leather boots on, I thought. What? Kinda. Where did my leather boots go?
This fucking chicken, bro.
You want to kill
I don't have slow falling, this isn't fair.
Isn't this like a major like heresy in our religion?
I
want kill. I want KFC.
Chasing a chicken.
I want Brooklyn fried chicken.
We'll eat the gods.
I need to go find a private area and see if I can ride my horse as a chicken.
Is quote unquote is this a Greg event that we kill the chicken?
No, give a second.
I'm burning.
I want KFC. Yeah.
Did he die?
That's a
Oh, yummy.
dead chicken.
Uh-oh.
Daryl, you don't know something funny? Because in Citizen Chat, I just made a video about Greg.
Did you? Oh no, it's Obama. Ooh.
I want to jump this friendly guy, but I don't want to. Well, I kind of.
Oh, I have speed 3 now.
Oh, come on, man! Don't give him a second chance.
Oh, okay.
This is so not fair. Stop it! Sink it!
Get that stupid fucking hitbox, bitch! Get that fucking hitbox, bitch!
I'm at least running. Oh no.
No, don't hit me, you.
Oh, okay. No, okay. But
I killed you. Did you drop anything?
Well, it should drop stuff. You should drop it in
Okay.
you died.
wait, I have regen too now. What? I can be
Why
put
is
as a chicken.
why is he getting more powerful?
I don't know. I
video
lost my speed 3 though.
Where's the fucking chicken?
I'm over here by the main part of the town, like the village.
Oh, watch, go on. Up the hill.
I'm not a chicken yet. I'm not a chicken yet.
I don't care.
I don't know if I'm gonna be a chicken or not, but
Kill the fucking messenger.
God, Sky, no. Oh, I'm a chicken.
That's good. What the fuck is going on over here? Run my town or something?
Oh yeah.
Yo, Leo, are you good? You sound like you're having a fit.
No, I'm running away.
He became a chicken. We're doing an event right now. Yeah, we're doing an event right now.
Oh wait, no, okay, don't kill my horse. I what hit my horse?
Mine.
Oh, I'm glowing. Wait, who's on my horse?
It's mine now.
Who's on my... No! That...
Kill the horse.
Stop making sus noises, man.
No! I'm running.
You're not running.
Just gotta go.
Oh, I see a fucking horse. Get over here.
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
He's got glowing on. Oh, you're fucked, bro.
Oh, that just cut me off. Okay.
Alligator.
Alligator. No, go. Oh. I don't know how I'm supposed to. I don't know how long I'm supposed to run for.
Whatever. No.
Oh no.
Turn left. Stop running away from me. Thank you.
No, you're not doing a very good job of escaping.
I ran out of hunger. Wait, I just got absorption 6.
Jump him.
I just...
Continue to jump him.
Why are people being lawnmowers? Why is Fenlish here?
Mice is here now.
Pretty sure Fenlish is here.
Oh, that's nice.
How many people are chasing this guy?
It's helping activity. Quickly, get to us. We need to help.
Is someone recording this? Someone better be recording this.
Somebody, get the camera.
Oh no.
Yo, fuckers love mob fighting.
This is just a wild goose chase, but chicken.
We'll kill it eventually. Don't worry. I want to kill the thing.
Don't fucking break the weight.
Stop being lawnmowers out here.
God, give me the horse.
If you give me a fucking bow, I can tap this bitch.
You're not even good with the horse. You don't even have fire switch too.
Never saying. Although he's saying I'm fast, I'm still getting hit. So like, it's not unfair.
All of our crops versus one.
I'm gonna have to repair. I'm gonna have to repair so much because y'all are just breaking all like the grass, flowers, plants. No, fire aspect.
Yes.
Fire aspect, my bane.
I love fire aspect. I was so close. Keep pounding him. Pound him more.
What?
Pound, like it's not that hard. Why are you staying?
Okay, I'm going to my factory. Or I guess Arthur's factory.
Kill this bitch.
It's because it won't be fun if he runs away.
This guy on a horse right behind me.
We need to record him.
I can see on my minimap just a horde of white dots going towards me. Here,
I see one that's like right on me the whole time.
I'll take a pit stop at my gatehouse. Ooh, going into a building. Ooh. Oh no.
He's
I bet I do better as a chicken.
You fuckers!
I'm getting in each other's way. I have fire resistance. Let's go. Never W.
Doesn't fail.
What is this?
I have speed, glowing, fire resistance, regeneration 3.
Why are we going to the actual city pot? No.
So it'll be harder for y'all.
I don't
want to actually go and have to look through traffic, man.
Oh no. Oh, I can't go upstairs though.
I can't find my way through this. No.
Oh, he's in the mines?
No, he's not in the mines. Follow me.
I'm on the
Follow me.
Oh, I need more hunger. Hold on.
Bitch. They're coming!
Jump off the roof.
Oh, I didn't even know this water feature was here.
There's a water feature?
Yeah, where I am. Where are you?
I'm behind you.
I'm saturation. Let's go. I'm just getting more powerful.
This isn't fair, man. I was supposed to kill him if he keeps running, and he keeps healing.
I don't know. This is all Nethers do. Actually, yeah, saturation is just like infinite health. I ran an effects
if you don't
server
stop,
once.
I will kill the horse.
I have like 20 to replace it. I don't care about that one.
Just
And I have ones with much better stats. That's just literally a throwaway horse that I don't care about. Stop lawn mowing my property.
no fail.
Jesus Christ, блядь.
What does this look like for y'all? That's what
Ah,
I'm.
being smited! My armor durability! My armor durability! No!
This is amazing. I don't know about y'all. All the people like in other nations just like chilling, and then in Zerg's team is just a wild chicken running
Fucking
around.
That's the
with
chicken.
a group of
That was
6 people.
I love it.
I wonder if y'all can wait. Nether's there. I'm gonna chase Nether. Circle Nether. Circle Nether. Circle Nether.
No!
Y'all have to deal a lot of damage very quickly.
I'm just kill Nudo. He has the one of the power. No!
He
He's
flew
flying!
away, baby.
My lower effects.
Oh, guys!
Good job. As a
My lower,
fighter.
my
Yeah,
lower
man.
effects only have like 5 minutes left. 4 minutes. So yeah, I mean, it's,
The horse. The horse.
I fucking drop kicked that horse, man.
I'm gonna just yoink that saddle. Thank you very
I
much.
just fucking drop kicked that fucking horse.
I just accepted Nether's TPA while y'all are all chasing me, and I fell into a pit. That was actually a good strategy because all y'all followed me.
Not me. I'm right on your ass. I've hit you every fucking time, and I haven't even done a single heart.
I'm levitating now. I'm levitating.
Whoa.
Get to him. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm
Let's
in
go.
the
Let's go.
clouds. Wait, I'm gonna go to your fort. Wait, I just got a great view from up here. Oh, I'm
Great
falling. I'm dead.
Oh, that bitch dead.
Where is it?
Finally.
I died to fall damage. Ugh.
Are we doing it again? Oh my god.
If we have to do it again.
Oh no, we are. I'm a chicken again. I'm a chicken again.
Oh, goddamn.
Where are y'all at? I just got saturation again, but only for 20 seconds. Okay. Regeneration 3.
Wait.
Hi,
Yeah,
Vandal.
what if we take you to the? What if we take you to the
Does Greg
chicken
support
statue in my city?
pro-slavery views?
Wait, yeah, you want to escort me? You instead of trying to murder me?
Yes, come with me. Follow me. Follow me. Let's
Guy,
go
where
to
you
my
at? Oh,
city.
okay.
Where the
Alright,
statue
yeah.
is. Let's go. Let's go. Something might happen.
Kind of hard to follow you when I'm faster.
Shift.
I guess that's really slow. I guess I can just walk instead of running. No, this is gonna wonder why you're not trying to kill me anymore, and we're all just pulling.
He's in chat though. He's in VC.
Oh, I forget because he's like always muted.
You gotta cross the mountains into the ocean.
Oh, dude, I can see my wall
Guys,
from here.
my tiny little legs aren't good on the hills. Oh no, I just fell in a pit.
Come on.
What?
Ugh.
Just kill the fucking sheep, dude.
It's fine. It wasn't one in the pen.
It could have been.
Also, Sky, why are we going across the mountain instead of just I have a jump boost. It's
We're
like
going
Nether
across
just
the mountain.
listen.
It's
It's just like
pro-
Nether
pro-
listens to my
slavery
every needs.
Oh, yeah.
We're going-
Oh, hey,
we're going
I'm
to
just so
my city.
poor. Like $1
It's a
million
Jewish
would really
statue.
help, yeah.
Let's go.
Wow, that was a long jump.
Where
Sorry.
the fuck are we going with?
A Greg statue that we have.
Oh, yeah,
No,
yeah,
don't
yeah,
do
yeah.
it.
To
My
Neron! Neron? Nutrion?
Nutrion.
Neutron.
Nutrion, yeah, bitch! Woo!
I always call it Neutron, like Jimmy Neutron.
Nutrion! Oh, shit. Uh-oh. It's our first epidemic.
Oh no.
It's our first epidemic. Our first challenge.
Meanwhile, I'm just walking around.
Where's Neron? Okay, we have to get to Kurin after this. Then we can make it.
Or we could just go directly west of here. Because that's where
Yeah,
your town
I mean,
is.
Literally,
Not
just
exactly.
a straight line.
It's
It's actually southwest, not
Yeah,
northwest.
Nah,
I guess it'd
that's,
be right here then.
that's controversial.
You just keep blowing the horn.
Oh, there's roads here.
I like it so much. Greg versus the most dedicated hornblower.
Wait, do I have no fall damage? Oh no, I do take fall damage still, I was about to say. Wait, well, actually, yeah, I don't know, I'll just...
Jim Greg thing.
No, I'm gonna be as slow as chickens in reality across water. Y'all are gonna have to wait for me to just slowly inch my way across the river.
I'm taking boat. Boat. Here, come on. Go in the boat.
Oh, it doesn't work, it just makes me into a player. Y'all, I could go so much quicker, but I'm not going to.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, or I'm just gonna get teleported. You know, whatever.
But why is
fine.
chat being spammed? I have a bunch of ads.
I don't know, that... It...
You want to come to the best casino?
Go to
Where's the
Greg
Greg
Come on,
statue?
let's do this.
Guy, where's the Greg statue? How do
It's
you
in the
navigate your
Greg.
city?
This is the Greg statues on the
Oh, here we
eastern
go.
point.
I think we have to put you on top of it.
Hold on, is there a way to get onto the roof of the sandstone building?
Come on, there is a way. Come on, follow me. There's scaffolding on top.
Where did you go, Sky?
On the south parts,
This way.
you can,
there we go.
What? What?
Yeah! There we go. Oh, I'm levitating again.
Oh my.
Oh, there goes Greg.
I only have 9
Disappeared.
seconds. 7, 6, 5. I'm in the sky. I'm
If I see a
about
chicken
to...
falling,
Now I have slow falling, so, just give me a sec, I'll be down there eventually.
okay.
Alright, I'm back.
Welcome.
I have seeds. Yeah, yummy seeds.
I'm gonna. Oh yeah, everyone's spamming chat.
Can you see me eating seeds up here?
I can't. I'm throwing fish at you.
Yeah, it's not high enough. I don't
Oh,
eat
hail
fish.
Greg.
Yeah,
Oh,
you do.
hail Greg.
Chickens.
Come on,
Chickens.
do it with me.
Oh hell,
Greg.
Greg! Oh
Oh,
hell,
hail
Greg!
Greg.
Oh hell, Greg!
It's like the what's called plankton.
What?
I don't know. I've been walking this shit. Oh, there's a creek.
Ah! What the?
You fucker! Stop!
What reward?
Stop trying to hit
What's
the chicken.
reward?
Yeah, what? Ed! Yeah, what reward?
It's like a beetroot.
It's one
Oh,
follow.
I didn't make the jump, hold on. Let me just climb the building again.
The messenger isn't very good.
Whoever fishing rodded me was despicable.
It's fucking fed. Ah shit! Why the
It is
fuck do you have
fed,
horns?
no. Ah.
What's happening?
Bro, I hate when
Do
people
not
say
treat the
wood.
sacred chicken as a fishable item.
He's gonna get smitten. Smite
Oh,
that
hail
bitch.
Greg.
Smite that bitch.
Oh, hail Greg. Oh, hail Greg.
Oh hell, Greg! Oh hell, Greg!
Oh, hail
Hell,
Greg.
Greg! Oh Oh,
on,
hell,
Zerka,
Greg.
come on, FedEx.
Oh, hell, Greg.
Oh, here,
Oh,
Greg.
hell, Greg.
Oh, here, Greg.
Oh, hell, Greg.
Greg.
Oh, hell, Greg.
Greg.
Oh, no, Greg!
What the hell?
Oh, Rose.
Oh, yeah, you got the puppy.
Hey, puppy. Where's a good puppy? Is he throwing vegetables at us? Are we?
Oh, whoops! I did not mean to throw that. Oh, I'm a wonderful chicken. Hold on.
Dear Greg, your messenger is slightly dumb.
I don't. Am I supposed to be Greg or am I just a chicken? I don't. I don't know.
Messenger.
It's oh shit! Oh fuck!
Wait, hold on.
I meant it in a
Greg
good way.
using
Damn.
Cocoa bean.
Bunny poop. You stupid bitch.
I don't know. I had that because someone threw it to me.
You know what? This will be the start of my mega cookie court.
Xerxstein banner.
Well, I got a Xerxstein banner.
Why are you picking up everything?
Bro, people are selling efficiency form biggest pickles for 3.5k. The economy's dead. I hate.
Rest in peace, economy.
Wait. Who by using all means necessary? What?
Wait, I just realized. Remember Tammy's research into the Greg egg?
Uh-huh. I don't
Remember
think
that it
this.
can be
I
used
don't
for
think the
weapons of
disguise
massive
lays
destruction?
eggs. I mean,
Remember his eggs can be used
Yeah.
for weapons. We can actually use it like a way to convert everyone if we can turn it into like a
Well.
conversion bomb,
FedEx95 said,
right?
"Is Greg pro or against slavery? Yes or no?"
Ignore my
wait.
screen right now.
Okay, what is wrong with
I
you?
need to know
Okay.
this.
Ignore my
Hold
screen
on.
right now, so.
Look, I'll get out
Hold
of
on.
the city if you're gonna wear that.
Okay, yeah.
No! Ah, what is this place? They fixed up Neutron really well. Oh, no, man, it just ends.
Oh,
Get back to work. Recruit more people within.
I got an egg. Why did I get an egg?
The messenger has dropped the offspring.
No,
I don't. Okay, Nether. I don't. Am I supposed to just like talk if they're asking stuff? Because like I don't. It just says my name. I can't do the fancy thing where like it says whatever,
Greg.
and then
Greg
the thing.
Messenger.
You can if you want to talk as Greg, but I
Greg
can't.
Messenger, what is the plan right now? Like, by all means
Oh,
necessary.
holy chicken! Oh,
why is it a Greg statue?
wait.
When did this get here?
But by the way, who picked up the Greg children?
Me. I got the egg.
Egg.
I got the flag and the bunny poop and the puppy.
Why is there no Laro?
Did you just yoink the other egg, Sky?
Yes.
Sky, that was. Oh my god.
It's gonna continue shit.
Can I get it on like this? Hold on. There you go.
Who the fuck is Femboy Hooters?
Hold on.
Sky, are you picking up everything I throw?
Diary for my feelings.
Oh, there's a great converted follower.
Zerka,
What-
what are you doing
who's that?
here with your clothes?
Shut up.
That's not allowed here.
Shut up.
That's not allowed here.
Why is there a
That's
great
not allowed to
converted
get out of
follower?
here.
No, you Ow! Fuck.
Oh, he's dead. That bitch is dead.
I have to walk all the way back now. I don't have $200.
Oh, wait, no, it's okay. Which username are you by?
I just got launched.
A diary for my fiancé. Does Greg
Ah!
support slavery, yes or no?
I can make it. Don't worry. I can get this.
Hell yeah, Greg loves slavery, right?
Oh, I ran out of food.
Yeah, be slavery, remember?
BPEC slavery. Jesus. Why am I in this?
I got punched. Ow! Help me, someone.
Jesus Christ.
What is the dog here?
Blood for the blood god.
Zerko, you cannot be dressing like that to such an important thing.
This is appropriate attire. Okay, I don't understand. No! You need to stop attacking me, Soul. Oh, I'm low.
Fine, I'll stop attacking you.
I don't have a switches mod on. I can't change skin so fast.
Oh, yeah. Greg's pissed. Greg's pissed.
But what is another
I
way?
swear, if you don't do it, I'll pour salt water on you.
Be quiet.
Part of me wants to lay an egg at like 10 miles an hour and just throw it at the cow person.
Just imagine if you just fly over an enemy city and just tactical egg incoming.
For the blood god. Egg for the egg god. Oh, I just love that sound so much for some reason.
Yeah, I need Big Mine over. It's on my other account though. I'm gonna push you off.
Don't you dare.
Hold on, I'm typing. I'm
Type faster.
No.
Type fast.
Listen, Zerko, I'll make you some clothes, okay?
There's 7 people here. What if we all killed them?
Do we kill the fat cow?
Who's a fat cow?
Don't you see the person
Here,
who's a cow?
Some shoes.
Oh, okay.
That's like a DJ in a maid suit or something.
Zerko, some pants.
I need a short.
Normal shirt. Yeah, be decent.
Hey, you stole my short! I need a short song.
This is better at least.
This is
Police shirt.
Stop pushing me, Neto.
I have no idea what we're doing.
Diary for my flu. Still Greg's, of course, that is. Okay. Hey! No!
No! I don't know who but uses. This is a doc user. No! Ow!
Zerko will this time. He had pants.
Y'all just ended Greg again.
Again.
No, not me. Fuck that.
Yo, teleport to me. Teleport to me. We're going to go inside a electric building.
I don't have TPA perms.
Darn it.
Nor
teleport
am
to
I-
us, Steven. Just
Or am I no
use
longer disguised as a chicken?
Hmm.
Okay. So is the Greg event over because someone fucking killed him?
It was fed, I'm pretty sure. Not fed.
Also, are y'all having LA costs?
Yeah, it cost me 500.
Because I'm going to towns and my balance isn't going down. And I don't know what that's about. Oh wait, is it because they're in the nation?
No, I tried doing that, but
Zerko, why are you in fire? Do you
No,
overheat?
I'm just not getting LA costs. Like at all for anything.
I'm
Yeah,
not
that's
being
rude.
beaten. Oh, come on, man. jousting. Ow, I'm being killed.
Not this time.
That's what
we
you
have
get.
pants on.
That's what I get.
What?
We have pants on.
What is that?
I had pants on this time.
Oh? Die. Diary for my feelings. And then does Greg support slavery? Yes or no?
So, in that last message alone, it means Greg is okay with Greg's slaves. It means
Hold on.
the methods to get Greg's. Okay.
It's like religion, Christianity. It's okay if it's for God. If you ask, what's his
We should
Minecraft now?
sacrifice something for Greg, actually. We have
Yeah,
to-
sacrifice Slow.
Who wants to be tested for? I want to be tested for Greg Warrior. That sounds interesting.
Oh, why not? But no clothes. That's the only way.
No clothes.
Test
heard
me
me.
for Greg Warrior, please. That sounds interesting.
No,
I am very devout for Greg, and
I can't sign it to make it
I have
say bye,
to test him
Greg.
because he's much blood of my nation.